Where are the week's events? It was a cool autumn day, 57 degrees. I was out searching for the week's events. The air was crisp and smelled of Spam. A lot.
Hey, over here. I think you're smelling Spamalot, the new musical lovingly ripped off from the motion picture Monty Python and the Holy Grail.
And just like that, my sniffer detected the first clue. It took a whole day to find that first clue. I was overworked, tired. I needed an after-hour laugh.
Psst. Hey, I can help you out. I know that. 2 guys, actually. Wayne Davis and Leclerc Andre. Comedians. They're coming to K-State on Friday to put on a show at after-hour comedy night.
Although I had to wait for that after-hour laugh, I couldn't wait to find the next piece of the puzzle. Although I found some clues, I couldn't help but feel something was missing. And that something was food. I hadn't eaten all day, except for that Spam in the air.
Hey, keep that Spam in the can. There's gonna be an international food festival on Sunday. All kinds of different foods made by K-State's international students from 8 different countries. Not only will that hush your hunger, but you'll get to learn about other cultures.
I don't think this kook realizes I can't wait till Sunday to eat. But she did feed me another clue. I gave up on the food. I was so tired I stopped in my tracks, took a nap. But then I heard a noise. A big noise.
The big noise. Winona and the big noise.
Look, Winona, I'm trying to nap over here.
I'm not Winona, and I didn't make that big noise. But Winona and the big noise will be here to show her undeniable talent and commanding voice this Sunday.
And just like that, I could sleep soundly, for Winona helped me complete my mission. Solve the puzzle, cook the recipe. Thanks, Winona.
And the big noise.